So the battery's dying, but we got new stuff. So what we got here is a JSP Alright, so what we have here is a JSP Wing. This is, I mean, basically, as much as you can call it eBay quality. This is a rep wing. Comes paint matched, which, as you can see, the color is pretty freaking close considering the car needs to be resprayed. Not really too concerned about it being too far off. This is the one little nick that it came with, probably because it was rubbing against that foam in a big box, and even still, I mean, that could be touched up. However, it's still better than the one we got over there. So we're gonna do some measuring and we're gonna try and figure out what holes it uses, and if it uses the factory ones, it's gonna be really, really easy. If it doesn't, well, this is gonna get a little bit more difficult. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna measure the width. We're going to measure the width of the holes on the wing. So far it's looking good, so we're going to drill some holes and see how it works out. So on the RSX, many of these cars came factory with spoiler, including the Type R. These holes right here, which are part of the stamp of the hatch, are actually the locating holes. So you punch in the middle of this and then you drill it out. Same goes to the other side. As you can see, the result of doing the punch is right into the end of the sheet steel. We're going to measure this and just double check one last time. Let's go ahead and drill it. I got pretty lucky with locating the spots on this car, but in case you don't have them, they also include these strips, and these strips have an indentation right in them. And what this allows you to do is you put this in the wing, put the wing on the car, and then tape these down, and that gives you a mark of where to drill. It's a pretty clever idea, but it's looking like I don't need these. So we won't use those. But I will show you everything else that came with the kit. 4 screws, 4 standard washers, and 4 lock washers. It also came with a set of these preformed gasket type foam pieces, but we'll see how well this works out for us because they were folded in my bag when I got them. Now after you make your marks, you don't want to use a full-size drill bit for drilling the holes. You want to use a small drill bit like a 3/32 or a 2mm drill bit. This is what they call for in their instructions, so I'm going to go with that. Here's my 3/32. I got my drill. Let's get drilling. Might help if your drill bit's straight too. So because that one's less than straight, I'm going to the 7/64. Once you got that down, go ahead and step up to the size of the bolt you're using. If you don't have a 9/32, feel free to use a 5/16. that's too much for your 5/16, maybe make another step in between. Quarter inch. Now that your hole's drilled, let's do the other one and then test fit the wing. Well, we're close, but not that close. So we gotta make the hole bigger so that it fits on both sides. Yeah, I know that looked a bit violent. It wasn't, just a little bit. We'll fix that later. Closer, just a little bigger. Oh, it fits. I had to squeeze the spoiler this way a little bit, but it fits. Nailed it. Now we mount it. So this piece we're going to stick on the bottom of the wing. That way we don't have to worry about locating it on the actual car. Before we do anything though, we're going to clean up our edges with a round file. Hey Marcus! Come here real quick. Huh? Come here real quick.
What's up?
Need your fold.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
We're almost full. Look at it. Look at it. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. And it's right where the factory one would be. Plus or minus. I mean, I think maybe I can push it forward just a hair on this side. But otherwise, I have a spoiler. First time ever. Oh my gosh. This is so awesome. Yeah. Well, with that being said, I'll let you guys know how it turns out. Now, the one thing, FRP or fiber reinforced plastic, you don't want to push on it because you break it. But yeah, that's good. It's time for a wash, shower, some food, and some editing because I still haven't put out Tuesday's video, and it's Tuesday. So, with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. But there's a quick video on how to install a spoiler from JSP. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know how your installs went. In the meantime, catch you later. Take it easy.
I'm a true champion.